In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Sheets in Canva step by step, even if you've never used them before. Canva Sheets are incredibly useful for organizing data, planning content, creating simple tables, and designing visually appealing spreadsheets directly inside Canva. If you're a content creator, marketer, student, or small business owner, this feature can save you a lot of time. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button if you find this helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva tutorials like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. Log into your Canva account, and once you're on the Canva homepage, take a look at the main dashboard. From here, you'll see different design options and tools available to you. Next, click on the option labeled Sheet. This will allow you to create a brand new Canva sheet from scratch. Canva Sheets work similarly to spreadsheets, but with Canvas design flexibility built in, which makes them great for both data and visual presentation. Once you click on Sheets, you'll be prompted to either select a pre-made sheet template or create your own blank sheet. You can choose any of the available Canva sheet templates if you want a ready-made layout, or you can start fresh with a blank sheet. In this example, I'm selecting a Canva sheet template to save time. After selecting a sheet, Canva will ask whether you want to replace the current page or add the sheet as a new page. If you're working inside an existing design, you can choose to replace the current page. Otherwise, you can create a new page and keep your existing design intact. Choose the option that best fits your workflow. Now that your sheet is open, click on any text box inside the sheet. This allows you to start editing the content directly. You can type in your own text, numbers, headings, or labels, depending on what you're using the sheet for. To customize the text, click on the font button in the top toolbar. From here, you can change the font style to match your brand or design preferences. Canva offers a wide variety of fonts, so feel free to experiment. Next, click on the font size option to increase or decrease the size of your text. This is helpful for creating clear headers, subheadings, or smaller data text within your sheet. You can also adjust the text color, make the text bold, italic, or underlined, and apply other formatting options to make important information stand out. To further refine your layout, click on the alignment options. This lets you align your text left, center, or right, depending on how you want your sheet to look. Proper alignment helps keep your sheet clean and readable. You can also use the highlight option to emphasize specific cells or text. Highlighting is especially useful when you want to draw attention to key data, totals, or important notes. If your text is long, you can enable text wrapping so everything fits neatly inside the cell. Canva Sheets also allow you to add bullet points, lists, and other text settings, making it easy to organize information clearly. With these tools, you can fully customize your sheet and make it both functional and visually appealing. And that's it. You've successfully created and edited a sheet in Canva. Canva Sheets are a powerful yet simple way to manage information while keeping great design. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.